In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly copy Power BI visuals to PowerPoint, providing you with a quick and efficient export guide. This process is particularly helpful for those who regularly need to present data-driven insights in a more formal setting or with a wider audience. Let's ensure your important visualizations can be seamlessly integrated into your PowerPoint presentations. To get started, first, open Power BI on your computer. Whether you're working with a dashboard filled with dynamic visualizations or a simple report, having Power BI ready to go is the first essential step. Make sure your screen shows the specific visualization you want to transfer to PowerPoint. It's crucial to have the visualization fully visible so you capture the details accurately. Next, you'll need to take a screen snip of the visualization. For a quick and effective method, use the keyboard shortcut Windows key plus Shift plus S. This will activate the screen snipping tool, a feature built into Windows that lets you select a specific portion of your screen to capture. Carefully select the area that encompasses your Power BI visual. Try to avoid capturing any unnecessary background or extra parts that aren't required within your presentation, focusing solely on the visual itself for the cleanest, most professional look. Once you've captured the screen snip, the next step is to save it. The snip will usually be held in your clipboard right after you capture it, but you'll want to make it more accessible by saving it as an image file. You can open an application like Paint or any preferred image viewer and paste your screen snip with the Ctrl+V shortcut. Then select the option to save your image, usually accessible through the File menu. It's typically best to use common formats such as PNG or JPEG, which are widely supported and maintain the quality of your visual. After you've saved your image, it's time to import it into your PowerPoint presentation. Open your PowerPoint file where you want the visual to appear. Navigate to the slide you're working with or create a new one if you need a fresh space. Proceed to insert the image by selecting the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of the PowerPoint window. Click Pictures and then this device to find and select the image file you saved earlier. Adjust the placement of your visual within the slide to ensure it's prominent and easy to read. Align it for balance and consider adding any pertinent labels or annotations that may help your audience understand the context of the visual data better. And there you have it. You've successfully transported your Power BI visual into PowerPoint, ready for your next presentation with clarity and professionalism.